Okay, time to take a look at the UYECOVE 3-piece Stubby Ratchet set. Ooh, that is cool. I love the little organizers that they always include just because they look so nice. You just take the whole thing and throw it right inside your toolbox and you got something to keep it. Whoa. That is smooth. So this is the 1/2-inch drive. It is color coded, so it's blue on top, so we know exactly which one it is. But this thing is super smooth. So this is a 72-point ratchet, which means we'll get clicks even in tight areas, so that's nice. It is reversible. We got actually a fairly nice big trigger on here. And we have a quick release button, so when we push that, that will push this little pin out, which will let that D10 drop in. So that means when our hands are occupied and we can only work one-handed, we can still drop sockets off and then put new sockets on. So that's very nice. It's also stubby, so when we're working in super cramped areas, we can still fit this thing in. I actually just like stubby ratchets just because you can whip those things around super easy and you don't have all that extra mass on the end that's going to be slowing you down. So these things are fantastic. I also like to see we got a knurled grip on here and here on the edge, and it is a nice big handle, so that's going to feel good in the hand. You don't have to worry about that digging into your hand. I got a couple of torque screws there on the top and one on the bottom, so if we need to take this thing apart to grease it, we can do that. And here is our 3/8 and our 1/4-inch ratchets. They all work the same. Nice feeling mechanism on them. I really like that 1/4-inch. Yeah, that is nice. So that stubby 1/4 wrench, this is going to be able to solve problems that other wrenches are not going to be able to. That is a very nice little ratchet. So let's go ahead and put these guys to work. There we go. I love these tiny little ratchets because they're so easy to flick. You can get a lot of work done in a very short period of time. These things are great.